All right, big protests against the Tamil Nadu government. In fact, as we see issue over NEET row at this point that rages on, let me cut across to the protest visuals coming in of NSUI hitting the streets over NEET examinations, Sansad Bhavan Gherao. The protest that's erupted just now in Delhi. We are cutting across to live images coming in on the NEET examination. Row that erupts on the streets of Delhi in Jantar Mantar with the NSUI hitting the streets demanding answers. The Sansad Bhavan Gherao, a protest conducted by the NSUI, the student body of the Congress party, that's come together to protest against the mismanagement of NEET examinations by the NTA. These are images coming in. It's of course taken a full political turn as lakhs of students across the country apprehensive over the current exams that were conducted, claiming that it was unfair as papers were already leaked. Many of them may have had an advantage if they had access to the papers even before the exams. They did have an upper hand. Lakhs of students there who are disappointed with the way NEET examinations was conducted. At this point, the issue itself takes a political turn with the NSUI jumping in. And on the expected lines, the opposition really up in arms against the centre over NEET controversy. Anmol Bali, who's also with me, is right there at the Jantar Mantar tracking those images. Anmol, please give us more on the NSUI jumping into these protests conducted and carried out by the students of NEET. Give us more on the political twist to these protests.
Nabila, currently I am here at the Jantar Mantar and I'll show you in the visual that NSUI cadre, which was trying to pass the Jantar Mantar to go towards the parliament for their parliament gharao, is now being stopped by the Delhi police. It was seen that heavy police was deployed here and our rapid action force was also deployed here. Heavy barricading is done here, but now policemen are stopping the NSUI workers and students to pass this road. And as you can see, they have also cane charged some of the NSUI guys here. And as you can see, thousands of workers of National Students Union of India, the Congress Party student wing, have gathered here to protest against the National Test Agency, which is being accused of irregularities in the NEET UG, and as well as it was seen that various other main exams like NEET PG, UGC NET for the science student, these main exams were cancelled by the NTA. And taking all of these issues today, they have called a Pradarshan, a Dharna march here to march towards the parliament. But as you can see, heavy barricading has been done here to stop the students, and Delhi police is also heavily deployed here to stop the NSUI cadres, because not only on the roads, NSUI and various other students union have been protesting for many days against the NTA and irregularities in the examination. But opposition will also be protesting against the Bharatiya Janata Party in the parliament, both on the road and both inside the parliament. It will be seen that opposition will try to corner the Bharatiya Janata Party in Education Ministry, Nabila.
All right. You know, Anmol, would it be possible for you to bring in some voices from behind you? I want to hear it from the students themselves. Have they associated with this political movement? Have they invited the NSUI, or NSUI has come in on their own?
आप सब NSUI के जो छात्र हैं, आप यहाँ इकट्ठे हुए हैं, क्या बड़ी मांगे लेकर आते हैं?
हमारी मांग ये है कि नीट के एग्जाम में धांधली हुई है, उसको धर्मेंद्र प्रधान शिक्षा मंत्री, उसको दोबारा से नीट का एग्जाम करवाया जाए। धर्मेंद्र प्रधान ने पैसे खाकर बच्चों को पेपर नीट का बांट दिया है। वो क्या डॉक्टर बनेंगे जिन्होंने पैसे देकर परीक्षा पास की है? मैं धर्मेंद्र प्रधान को कहता हूं कि वो इस्तीफा दे, और मैं मोदी सरकार से कहता हूं कि वे दोबारा नीट का एग्जाम दोबारा करवाएं। कुछ ही दिनों के अंदर CSIR नेट का एग्जाम पोस्टपोन कर दिया जाता है, UGC नेट रद्द कर दिया जाता है और नीट के एग्जाम में धांधली की जाती है। मैं मोदी सरकार से और इस कैबिनेट मंत्री से कहना चाहता हूं कि वो इस एग्जाम को दोबारा करवाएं और 24 लाख बच्चों के साथ न्याय करने का काम करें।
इस मामले में देखा गया कि CBI की जांच सबसे बड़ी मांग थी जो NSUI की थी, वो भी सरकार ने CBI को जांच दे दी। तो अब प्रदर्शन
जी, हम चाहते हैं कि CBI निश्चित समिति के अंदर इसकी जांच करे, निष्पक्ष जांच करे, और जांच के अंदर जो भी दोषी पाए जाए उसके खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कानूनी कार्रवाई की जाए, ताकि भविष्य में इस तरह की घटनाओं की पुनरावृत्ति नहीं हो। क्योंकि इसके अंदर देश के जो 24 लाख छात्र हैं उनका भविष्य समाहित है, उनके साथ अन्याय हुआ है। और हम चाहते हैं कि नीट 2024 है उसको पुनः पारदर्शिता के साथ, ईमानदारी के साथ उन्हें आयोजित करवाई जाए और उन सभी 24 लाख युवाओं को, छात्रों को एक स्वच्छ अवसर प्रदान किया जाए ताकि वो अपने नीट के अंदर अपना भाग्य आजमा सके। जब तक हमारी मांगे नहीं मानी जाएगी, लोकतांत्रिक तरीके से जंतर मंतर पे हमारा प्रदर्शन अनवरत जारी रहेगा। हम प्रदर्शन के माध्यम से केंद्र सरकार का ध्यान आकर्षित करना चाहते हैं कि वो हमारी मांगे माने और जो देश के 24 लाख छात्र हैं उनको न्याय प्रदान करे।
अभी पीछे देखा गया, थोड़ा लाठीचार्ज भी हुआ विद्यार्थियों,
बिल्कुल
रोक भी रही है एनएसयूआई को, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
बिल्कुल, जो देखिए आप लाठीचार्ज कर रहे हैं, छात्रों के साथ अन्याय कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद हम शांतिपूर्ण मार्च कर रहे हैं तो उसके खिलाफ ये लाठीचार्ज हो रहा है। ये तानाशाही बनी हुई है सरकार। इस सरकार को हम बता देना चाहते हैं कि एनएसयूआई के कार्यकर्ता जब तक हमारी जान नहीं चली जाती तब तक भी हम नीट के अभ्यर्थियों के साथ या किस देश में किसी भी अभ्यर्थी के साथ अन्याय नहीं होने देंगे और हम कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर नीट के अभ्यर्थियों के साथ खड़े हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि यह परीक्षा पूरी तरह से रद्द होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि जो घोटाला इनका सामने आया है, बच्चों ने कबूल किया है कि हमने पेपर हटवाया गया, 24 घंटे पहले पेपर मिला है, किसी को 48 घंटे पहले पेपर मिला है। किसानों के जो बच्चे हैं उनका न्याय, उनका हक छीन के जो
So Nabila, as you have heard, the students...
All right, we heard him loud and clear. Anmol, I'm going to come back to you, but as we see the protests only intensifying in the NEET examination row as CBI now takes over. CBI has registered a criminal case in connection with these allegations of irregularities in NEET UG 2024. They've already started their investigation. In fact, some of the CBI officers were also attacked while they were investigating in parts of Bihar. The agency will be taking over FIRs registered in several states, including Bihar and Gujarat. Probe agency will also be examining the role of public servants in the case. Meanwhile, the government continues to firefight as opposition demands resignation of the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, who's taken moral responsibility over the lapses.